How to fix Chrome your connection is not private error. So if you also have this error message while trying to open up a website, this basically happens in two cases. Either the website owner has not turned on or enabled the SSL certificate on their websites. In this first situation, what you need to check is you can double click on the link or the website link that is visible, the URL, and make sure that this HTTPS is enabled. If the S is not available right there, that simply means that the website is having issues or website has not enabled the SSL certificate. In these situations, the website is not secure and any information that you enter, such as your credit card details or your passport, can easily be hacked. But if this is not the case for you, and if the website does have the SSL certificate, which is the HTTPS, then in this case, the first thing that you can do is make sure that your date and time is accurate. So head over to the date and time settings on your device, whether you're using your phone or your desktop, and make sure that these options are set to automatic. Once you're done this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can do is try to clear out the browser cache. So click on the three-dotted line on the top right, head over to delete browsing data, and make sure that cookies and other site data as well as cache images and files are selected, and select at least last 7 days, and you can click on the delete option. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix this error. But however, if you're still having issues with this, the other thing that you can also try out is use a different browser instead. So if you're currently using Google Chrome, you can use a different Google Chrome account or a different browser in general, such as Microsoft Edge or any other browser that you might have installed. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix this error message. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.